Peyton, and this is my sister, and today we're going to be making pizzas. So, first you need these, and they're already made pizza crust, and then you're going to need the sauce and the toppings. Gotta keep falling over. So these are all the toppings we're going to be using today, and these. So first you probably want to get a spoon and put the pizza sauce on so you can use the spoon to spread it. So then you're going to move all the stuff out of the way. You're going to open this. And then you're going to put it on. Then you're going to close the lid to make sure that the pizza sauce is not dry up. Then you're going to spread it. And if you don't have enough, then you can just add more. I love pizza.
Smells good.
Okay, now you can start adding your pizza sauce. Your pizza sauce.
Let's put it good. That's good. That's how much I'm adding. Give me.
Okay. So now that our pizza sauce is completely
You got it in my hand.
meh.
I'm covering up the crust.
That's what you grab it by.
No.
Oh no. Okay. Ah.
Let me lick it.
No. Lick it. Gotta spread some in the middle so it's nice and sticky so that the pizza toppings will stay on while it's cooking.
What?
You said you wanted to lick it. I'm not gonna hold it for you. Here.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm too scared.
Okay. And then we're going to do our pizza toppings. So this is mozzarella cheese, pizza ready, real crumbled bacon, Canadian bacon, and pepperoni. So I think I'm going to start with pepperoni. Vienna, what are you going to start with? There's Canadian bacon, pizza ready bacon. This is the pizza ready bacon.
Yeah.
So then we're going, I'm going to put this on. And this is pepperoni. So somehow I have to open that. Okay, and Vienna, are you going to put on your toppings?
Yeah, just use the other one.
Okay. So she's going to do pepperoni too first. So, there's a little corner. There's a little corner you put in.
No.
So I'm just going to plop these on. These are like spicy pepperonis, so I don't want to put too many on. Don't feel like burning my mouth today. I'm going to put one right in the middle. So that's good. So then I'm going to put these back in there. Okay. Then I'm going to add some Canadian bacon. If I can even grab it out. This is how big the Canadian bacon is. Plop. I'm just going to shove one of these in my
I
mouth.
can make Mickey Mouse.
I've kind of made Mickey Mouse. Oh, she made Mickey Mouse. I can't really see if you guys can see, but Mickey Mouse.
Mickey.
Right there.
Okay, I need
And then I have the weirdest Mickey Mouse on earth. Okay, then I probably should have put the cheese on first. Whoop, that's where I messed up.
I'm gonna put the cheese on.
So this is the real crumbled bacon.
I'm only gonna put.
That's a lot of crumbles.
I'm starting with
So
cheese.
I'm gonna open this.
I'm gonna sprinkle cheese with my hands.
It smells good. Only you guys could smell this too. It's the best. This is gonna be the best pizza on earth. It doesn't taste very good when it's cold. Then I'm gonna put my cheese on. Ooh, this stuff is good. It's bacon. In the comments down below, tell me how whose is probably going to be the most full of ingredients.
Peyton.
Most likely mine.
Peyton, I haven't done this. Look.
Just good. I'm trying everything I put on my pizza. I'm just going to shove one of these in my mouth. I'm going to try it.
I need to take a real pizza. Okay.
Yeah.
It's two. I only need one.
Give me that. Nice.
Mickey Mouse now.
This stuff isn't bad.
I want more. Okay.
Yeah.
It's
It's two.
I only need one.
Give me that. Nice.
Mickey Mouse now.
This stuff isn't bad.
I want more pepperoni.
Okay, put more pepperoni.
To bacon that a Mickey Mouse. I'm going to take this thing out.
It's delicious. And I think it has a lot more ingredients than hers. She has very less ingredients than my crazy pizza. I'm gonna put it in the oven.
Go.
So now, okay, so our pizza is done. So now my dad's just getting it out of the oven, and he has to find it. Daddy! You're welcome.
Dad!
And now he's getting pizza. Okay, so here is one pizza. So, because I had more cheese than her. And a big blob on top. Okay. So, our pizzas came out. Mine looks, well, weird. So, yeah.
Dad, what happened?
Help.
3.
Wait, that might be hot.
So, we're gonna take the first bite to see how they taste.
Hot.
It's actually not that bad. Usually all my homemade pizzas turn out really bad, but this one tastes good.
So Vienna, thumbs up or thumbs down? Alright.
Now give me my ranch.
Bye guys. Comment down below your favorite part. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Goodbye.